If you've dreamed of having a place on Smith Lake, I've got a great place for you here right now. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, fully furnished home, under $600,000. You got to take a look at this. We're looking at 1466 Dave Wilson Circle in Houston, Alabama, right here on Smith Lake, and we're on the upper end of Brushy Creek. 2,800 square feet, priced at $599 currently. It's going to be sold completely furnished, so let's go take a look. So when you walk right in, you're going to notice the all-new renovated kitchen and the flooring. It's all been redone with new granite countertops, a huge bar area, all new appliances, and just take a look from the view from the kitchen of the lake. Sit here, watch the family, watch the kids swim, play out on the deck. You've got a great spot for entertaining right here. Okay, so the first thing you notice are the huge vaulted ceilings when you come up here to the living area. All new tongue and groove wood, and you have the great views of the lake on this level. Just check out the views. And before I go any further, let me remind you, this home is being sold completely furnished. So all you gotta do is bring your toothbrush, bring your clothes, come enjoy the lake. So right behind it is going to be the huge master suite right here. Now this has been redone with new floors. Also the bathroom has been updated. Now this home is also very unique because it does have a third level, which is pretty much your third bedroom. You do have the bunks that are right here, plus it has its own private bathroom as well. The private bathroom does have a new countertops and it has been updated. And this home actually does have, for the third level, an emergency staircase exit. Just in case your kids want to sneak out at night, they've got easy access to get out of here. So there you have it. This is 1466 Dave Wilson Circle in Houston, Alabama, right here on Smith Lake, and this is in the Brushy Creek area. Current price listed is at $599. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, fully furnished and ready to move in. All you've got to do, bring your toothbrush, bring your clothes, and come on and let's go. Hey, before we go, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.